The area's most exciting destination for shooting activities, retail sales, training, and events is the Heritage Guild of Easton. Our 25,000 square foot facility is currently situated to serve customers, the community, and law enforcement of North Central New Jersey and Eastern PA regions. We have designed a facility for our customers to explore and enjoy. Check out our new state-of-the-art tactical range, expanded static ranges, plus a brand new archery shop and indoor range in Easton. Just off Route 78, minutes from New Jersey, and convenient to the entire Lehigh Valley. For more information on the Heritage Guild of Easton, or our 2 locations in New Jersey, please visit heritageguild.com today.
Whitetail Underdogs, The Drive, is brought to you in part by the following. Bear Archery Products. Easton Archery, expect the best. Conquest Scent Sticks. Aggressive Game Call. Trophy Ridge. True Fire. And Bo Jacks.
Hi, I'm Craig Bouchel. Welcome to The Drive. Today's show is our 10th and final episode of Season 1. I wanted to start the show by thanking you for watching and supporting us. We hope you continue to watch as we continue to bring you more shows. On today's episode, we're on a late season goose hunt with some of the guys from our title sponsor, the Heritage Guild. We're hunting up in the Lehigh Valley, somewhere along Route 33. The geese are flying. Let's go check it out.
Those guys had 2 bird dogs. They have one too.
Archery at the Glen in Allentown is dedicated to the archer and angler, providing unsurpassed services to the Lehigh Valley since 1999. Whether your passion is hunting or target archery, Archery at the Glen specializes in and services all compound, recurve, and crossbows. There are leagues and lessons for people of all ages at our spacious indoor range. For anglers, we offer a wide variety of fishing tackle and live bait year-round, as well as hunting and fishing licenses. Check us out online at theglen.com. Get in the game at Archery at the Glen.
On this week's webisode, we're going to hear from some of the guys on how they prepare and how they set up for that moment of truth.
Hands down, the best shooting tip I can give is practice in hunting situations. You know, I hunt a lot of banks blinds around food plots, and we've got bar stools in them. And so what I like to do is I take those same bar stools and I'll set them up in the yard, and I'll just run my shots through sitting on that bar stool, get my form and everything built around sitting down.
I see this all the time. After hunting season, hunters get lazy. They put their bow down and they go back to day-to-day activities. One thing I like to do is even after season, I still like to shoot a couple of arrows a day. If it's in the morning or evening, always try to shoot at least 2 to 5 arrows a day. It keeps my muscle memory intact and keeps me consistent and confident throughout the year shooting my bow.
You know, I shoot a 1/4 inch peep. I used to shoot a much smaller peep for target shooting, but I found that I get more light with a larger peep. One of the things that I do is when I tie in my peep, I try to adjust the sight in or out so that the circle of the peep completely covers the circle of the pin guard. And when that happens, I know that my left and my right is going to be dead in the middle. You know, I won't have any left or right shots. It kind of lines it for me. So, and sometimes you got to tinker with it. You got to either pull it way out or pull it way in or somewhere in the middle. But it works for me.
One of the things that has helped my shooting during the summer, right before season comes in, more than anything, is called blind bale shooting. And that is simply going through the execution of your shots and not worrying about where your arrow hits, which is really helps alleviate any form of target panic, which we all at some time have a form of, some greater than others. But blind bale shooting is simply having a target at point blank range, fairly level with your arrow at full draw. And when you come to draw, you really want to concentrate on your grip, proper grip, your knock. You want to anchor your knock and really concentrate on the execution of the shot, squeezing the trigger and doing a push-pull, push and pull follow through. You don't have to worry about where the arrow goes, and you just constantly shoot over and over and over. And if you've ever had any issues with any sort of target panic, or you just weren't shooting as well as you thought you would like to, try some blind bale shooting. That way you can really concentrate on your form. And in some cases, some people recommend even closing your eyes at full draw so you can really feel the shot. And all that's doing is developing muscle memory over and over and over. And the more you do this, when you get out and you start shooting targets at 20, 30, 40 yards, it really it makes you a better archer.
What I like to do to prepare myself for archery season is wherever I feel comfortable shooting every day, I back it up. 20 yards, 30 yards, I go all the way back to 80 yards and shoot, so I know when I get into 30 yards, it's a real easy chip shot and my groups tighten right up.
Okay, so we got to hear from the guys on how they set up, how they prepare for the upcoming season. From all of us at Bear Archery, I'm Dan Perez, and thanks for watching.
Beautiful. Thank you, sir.
That was good, Steve. Well, Mark, I gotta hand it to you. I am loving my TrueFire Hardcore.
I wouldn't steer you wrong, brother.
Not only is this thing extremely accurate on the range, its features are deadly in the field.
What I noticed, whether you're sweating shooting does in the early season or shivering when that late season buck comes in, that jaw cannot come off that loop. I love my TrueFire Hardcore.
Wait, what do you got there?
That's a hardcore forefinger.
Give me that.
Not this time, brother.
The TrueFire Hardcore, available at your local retailer.
Why mess with perfection? Take the Whisker Biscuit. People have been trying to mess with our perfection ever since we climbed to the top. But no amount of levers, prongs, or springs can improve this simple, no-failing masterpiece. Good gracious. You need proof? Just ask these guys. They've got the trophies and world records to back it up. And the Whisker Biscuit is the only rest with a 100% no-fail guarantee. No other rest can offer that. There's about 1,000 things that can go wrong on your hunt. Why add one more? Whisker Biscuit. Long live the king.
Welcome back. I hope you're enjoying today's hunt. It's the first time that I personally filmed a late season goose hunt, and it's definitely different than filming a deer hunt. We seem to have our decoys set just right, and the geese were cooperating. Let's get back to the action.
They kill a lot of birds?
Kill him, kill him. Take it.
Got bird. Go. More birds coming. Bird's coming, Charlie. Come on, Charlie.
Andrea's decorative trivets and jar openers are 100% made in the USA. From beautiful to whimsical, there is a design for every occasion. Protecting your furniture from the heat, Andrea's trivets will withstand 600 degrees and still keep their beautiful appearance. Dishwasher safe, flexible, and non-slip, keeping your hot dish in place. Trivets can also be used as pot holders. Jar openers will stick to any smooth surface for easy storage and decorative display until ready to use. Visit AndreasTrivets.com today.
Why do I use Trophy Ridge equipment?
Why do I hunt with Trophy Ridge?
This is why.
This is why.
This is why.
This is why I trust.
This is why I trust. I trust. I trust. I trust.
This is why I trust Trophy Ridge.
This is why I trust.
This is why I trust Trophy Ridge equipment.
Precision is in their blood.
Introducing Easton Bowfire, the next generation carbon arrow that combines a striking white-hot graphic with higher velocity and accurate shooting. Designed for today's cutting-edge bows. Bowfire features an advanced all-carbon makeup that carries plenty of energy downrange to drive broadheads through the target. Bowfire features a white-hot design for a visible line of sight to the point of impact. Light up big game on your next hunt with Easton High Velocity Bowfire.
For a trophy of a lifetime, you got to get aggressive.
Well, we hope you enjoyed our 10th and final episode of Season 1. And like I said earlier, we'll be bringing you more episodes in the near future. Until then, see you next time on The Drive.